Hey dudes, today I want to talk about the settings that I use in Vocal Writer to help keep the volume of my dialogue a little bit more consistent. So let's jump right into it. All right, so I just played this recording of dialogue as is, and the meter is showing that it is -25 LUFS and the range is 12. So what I'm going to do is now go through my Vocal Writer settings, and we're going to try to get this a little bit louder and this a little bit smaller or tighter because we want less dynamic range. So the first setting I'm going to address is the target. So if you click here, what I'm aiming for is -24. So that's going to basically calibrate the whole plugin to say, at 24, I want you to go up and down. Speaking of up and down, here is the range right here on the left. So I have set the top of my range to 4.5 and the bottom of my range to -4.5. And if you look at it here, it's telling me that it's going to take the range of 9 both up and down. So you're setting the limit of how far the range is going to go. I think this is really important because if you go too far up, too far down, you're going to get wild mood swings in your volume, and you don't want that. So we want to keep it smooth, but this is still hard working with this setting. And then I like to just boost the output a little bit. I'll just do 1.5 for now, so it's going to increase the volume 1.5. So I'm going to unbypass or engage Vocal Writer for this take, and let's see what we get. Sometimes you get a little bit more excited, and then, naturally, maybe you're starting to get a little bit not confident and you start to drift, but then your idea starts to come back and you're really starting to go, okay, no, I think I'm feeling it now. And then really good news is that we cut the range in half. It was at 12, it has gone down to 6. Every 3 dB is like one stop or one complete movement of level. So it's really even. It only goes a dynamic range of 2 clicks, so to speak, because the range is 6. Because it did so much smoothing, it seems to have knocked the volume down a little bit, but we can just do some simple math. I want to hit -24. I'm 1.5 off. I started at 1.5. I simply can go to 3, and that's going to get me to the math that I need. Let's run it through the meter one more time with the adjustment of adding a little bit more output gain. Sometimes you get a little bit more excited, and then, naturally, maybe
You're starting to get a little bit not confident, you start to drift, but then you're
we hit -24 LUFS exactly. And reminder, we went from 12 to 6 range, so very successful use of Vocal Writer. All right, so that's how I use Vocal Writer to decrease the dynamic range, aka make my dialogue just a little bit more smooth and consistent in the volume and just a little bit easier to hear. So hopefully these settings will help you to do the same. And until next time, later dudes.